On March the 2nd, 2022, I lost my license for a year. I told myself once I could drive again, I'd go exploring. Three, two, one. Okay, cool. So this is my first time using this tent. The pegs suck, so that's like on the to-do list to buy. There's my car. Well, it's currently 7:22 Thursday. The sunset here is at 7:58, so I'm about to go for a drive up on top of the hill, get my drone out, take some drone shots, and that'll be it for today. My main reason behind this trip was I spent a whole year without my own individual freedom. I wanted to spend this trip exploring my creative side, exploring videography, trying things and experiencing things I hadn't experienced before. So that's what I did. So I'm about to take shots in my car and I want to make sure that it doesn't die, the drone. So just replacing it even though there's still 40% battery left.
Once upon a time we fell apart. You're holding in your hands the two halves in my heart.
Currently 11:52. We just streamed for half an hour on my laptop. I'm dedicated, bro. I'm dedicated. I don't know what this video is gonna be, but hopefully it comes together okay. Good night. Good morning. It's currently 9:50. Oh, I slept like a baby. I can't even open my eyes. About to go eat breakfast. Yeah. Right. What a beautiful day. Oh my goodness. Got all these galahs above me. It's beautiful. I think the plan for today is after I eat breakfast, we'll go down to the beach, maybe, and just go for a walk. And then we'll come back here, make lunch, and then after lunch, maybe go for a swim and take more drone shot footage of the cliffs and the water. And then it'll probably be dinner time. Yeah, we'll go from there. Yum. Very good. Okay, so I've been to this beach before, and the main place I wanted to get to record, you have to climb around these rocks and walk along these beaches. You get to this point where you have to jump off the rocks into the water and swim around because there's no more rocks for you to walk. But once you get to this beach, it's so rewarding. We made it to this little Hidden Beach, Rapid Bay. It's so beautiful. I'm trying to block the wind. Video reviewing to make sure that the footage is all right. I don't know if you can see it, to be honest. I'm about to go for a swim, so hopefully you'll see some of that, and then we'll make our way back. Yo! Okay, so I'm currently driving to a petrol station. One, obviously to get petrol, and two, because the fire lighters I have for my charcoal grill, they aren't really working, so I'm gonna get new fire lighters, and then hopefully I'll be able to eat tonight. So that's the plan. Okay, gear required. We bought some gloves as well, and fire lighters, and obviously we got the petrol. Where are my keys at? They're in the ignition. Fucking idiot. Heating it up more. Nice. That was very nice. Okay, so we just finished off this cold but beautiful night, getting some drone shots of the sunset and the water. About to head back and just chillax.
Have you ever had a feeling that we're not alone? All the calls I've been receiving, they are not from home. Going down the dusty roads, we can't see me.
It's now Sunday, the last day that I'm here. It's 9:49 a.m. and it's 19 degrees. The weather is beautiful outside. So we're about to go have a quick dip in the ocean and then head back home because I got work today. So yeah, let's go do it. It's gonna be cold. Quite literally just been sitting here. It's so nice. I don't want to leave. Goodbye, Rapid Bay. Bye.